gonna do each other's makeup?
No, not each other's. I'm gonna put makeup on you. That's all that's gonna happen. Yeah.
I'm gonna put on makeup on her too, but not too much.
No.
No, you agreed to this.
I did not.
You did.
I did not. You forced me to come.
No.
Help me. I've been kidnapped.
No, I did not. She's
Sorry.
gonna do me first, and then I'm gonna do her.
Sure.
It doesn't sound wrong at all.
Okay. So.
Okay, what do I start with?
I have seen a few of your videos, so I should have a good idea about what happens.
Let's see.
Let's see.
I'm 100% sure you didn't watch all of my videos.
I tried. This is a loose powder. I'm gonna put this first.
You're gonna put on powder first?
Isn't that what you're supposed to do?
Yeah, just try. Okay.
You put powder on your face? No. No. This looks a bit wrong. That should be enough. I'm gonna get back to this later. Something with foundations. And I see a foundation here, so
How do you know this is a foundation?
it has foundation written on it.
Oh, smart.
Wet and wild. How do you open this? Okay. Whoa. Okay. Why is this liquid?
What do you think foundation is?
Cream. Should I? Okay.
Okay.
And I know you blend it with this thing. It looks very weird.
What is this?
Sponge.
That's not too bad.
Wait, it's working. You look good. Do you need some more?
I wouldn't know. I can't see myself. Oh, guys, I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I don't know how I look at all.
Wait. The eraser eye. I'm guessing you have to put it on your eye. How do you? Okay. What the fuck? It does not look like it was made for this. It's concealer. So what am I concealing? Your miseries.
My miseries.
Your miseries. Okay.
So my miseries are under my eyes?
Yeah, basically. You look good. Oh! Eraser dark circles. Okay. Let's do this again. Okay, this looks a bit wrong. Shit.
Using this.
This. A hint of all. Yeah. You look so good.
Does it? Are you even putting it on my face?
I'm not putting it on that side because you won't turn. Okay. So this place looks ugly. This place looks marvelous. Dab. Eyeshadow. Put this on your face.
Okay.
Yes.
So, what did you just use?
Souffle.
She just used Always Red by Elizabeth Arden. It's a souffle cream. Oh my god, what am I doing?
Close your eyes. Ooh!
Literally stabbing my eye.
This is how art is made. Stop.
Oh my god, what can I do when you're stabbing my eye? I'm gonna regret this anyway.
I'm making a shade where I show my skills.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. Like I knew how to do the other one either. Okay. Nope. Never mind. I'm sorry.
I'm so scared right now. I think I'm gonna lose all my subscribers.
Okay. Okay, don't open your eyes yet. Look at me. No, don't look. Don't look.
Okay.
It looks a bit shit. I won't deny. I don't know. I'm gonna put
Aren't
more.
you gonna do something to my brows?
Are you supposed to do something?
I thought you watched my videos.
I did. Does not mean I paid attention.
God.
Looks like a tragedy.
I'm not even gonna look at the mirror today.
Please. Bring it goes in the eyelashes because that's where I'm gonna put it.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Okay. Okay, this actually works. It fits.
Boom.
Okay. Looks a bit shit, but okay.
Why does everything you do look a bit shit?
I don't look at your face anymore.
Am I losing all my subscribers today?
Yes.
Are you gonna use red?
Yes. To match the eyeshadow.
Show everyone what you're using.
This.
So this is the Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Bad Blood. It's a matte lipstick.
Just like this. Ah.
That's such a bad joke.
Open your mouth. Literally like. This is going well. Stop laughing. Stop laughing at me. You're lucky that you have me to put on makeup for you. Do this. You know, it's not that bad. Wait. Yeah. This works.
I don't even know how I look. I'm just gonna say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim before I look at myself. Hey, it's not true. It's awful. The eyeliner isn't as bad as I expected it to be.
Thank you.
Like, it's pretty shit, but
It's pretty shit.
what is this? What? What is this? What is this lipstick? Why do I not have highlighter on?
Oh.
No, it's over.
No.
No, it's over.
Found it.
Pure Nude from Essence, the highlighter.
And this brush.
Sorry.
See, I know my shit.
Wow, she's actually using my highlighter brush. This is so bad. I look like I've been tortured.
Have you?
Yes, I've been tortured.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
This is...
You know what? I shouldn't have wasted my skills on someone like you. Someone who does not
Oh
understand
my God.
or appreciate art.
Have you guys seen what she has done to me? What is this?
I've made you look better.
What is this look? What would you call this look?
Better.
I'm gonna do yours.
No. We're done.
I'm gonna do yours now.
Where's
I'm gonna do yours now. No. I'm gonna do yours. I'm just gonna put on eyeliner and some foundation and just like basics. Promise. Okay, like minimal makeup. I'm gonna teach you how to put on makeup.
I'll teach you. This is how
No,
you
you do not powder your face before you put on foundation. She literally put on powder and then she put on foundation. Then she put on cream, like moisturizer on me. Moisturizer.
I don't want to be moisturized. Ew.
Your skin feels so nice. It's so soft.
I feel molested.
Come
I
closer.
feel harassed. I feel
Come
violated.
closer. No.
Smells.
Now we're gonna put on Wet n Wild Photo Focus
Focus.
Photo Focus foundation.
Okay, it literally burns.
It doesn't burn. It's because your skin is so dry. My hands are so moisturized right now. I cannot open this. Can you open this?
Why am I digging my own grave?
You're not digging your own grave. So we're just gonna put on a bit of foundation. Bit.
Oh god. Like bananas.
It doesn't smell like banana.
It does.
It doesn't.
I'm not joking.
It doesn't smell like banana. It's fun. It smells like chemicals basically. Why do you look so miserable?
I am miserable.
Don't be.
Okay.
And you're supposed to dab, like dab, 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 dab.
Dab, dab.
Ow! What is this?
How do you walk around with this on every day? Ew. I'm miserable.
So we're not gonna put on concealer because
Ooh. See, you do have to put it on.
you do after you put on your liquid stuff.
I was very gentle with my hands.
You weren't. Don't even lie right now.
I played you like an instrument.
Oh, close your eyes. No, not that hard.
To do your eyeshadow as well.
I know.
I'm so smart.
We're gonna have the same makeup look. Close your eyes.
Ooh.
I can't believe you're putting on makeup. It's so funny. Close your eyes.
The shit I do for you.
This looks so cute.
So cute.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put on this pink shade underneath your eyes. Look up.
You have to put eyeshadow underneath your eyes.
Look up.
Ah!
Look up. I'm not gonna hurt your eyes.
You are hurting my eye.
I am not.
You're putting the brush inside my eye.
No, I'm not.
That's not healthy.
Gently. Or else you'll look like me. Do you
Fuck
want to
off.
end up like me? Close your eyes. No! You're gonna... Stop twitching. Stop twitching, oh my god. Just give me a second. Okay, now, just keep your eyes closed. Blush. I'm gonna use the Sonia Kashik blush in the shade Flushed. Shut up.
Shut up, bitch.
I'm using an actual blush
Can I
brush.
open my eyes? This is very uncomfortable.
No. Just putting on some blush. And I'm gonna put on some highlighter.
Help.
Oh my god, what did you do?
I didn't.
Don't look at
Oh
yourself.
my god.
Oh my god, you cheated. That was a blush palette. I'm gonna use this pink shade from...
It's not a blush palette?
It's highlighter.
Ooh, sneaky.
Oh my god, this looks so nice on you. Oh my god, you're glowing.
Wow. Are you trying to make up for the fact that you literally ruined my life?
I did not ruin your life. Don't lie. Don't. Not okay.
You look good.
I do not. She thinks I look good.
Yeah, you do.
What the hell? I do not look good. No, please, you have to.
Please, please.
This is new lipstick.
You said no.
This is new lipstick.
No,
okay.
no.
Look, this is Wet and Wild, and this is the catsuit lipstick in the shade Mocha. Give me Mocha. Sorry. No, don't do that. Look, unless you want to look awful.
I do look awful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Ow. Up.
Mm.
Not too. Not too hard.
I'm done.
Don't move. Oh my god, stop doing that.
Ew. So uncomfortable.
Oh my god, you're talking. I'm putting on lipstick. Okay, stay.
Why?
You don't look that bad.
Mhm.
You're overreacting.
Uh-huh.
You're overreacting.
This is why I never put on makeup.
You don't look. Do you guys think she looks bad?
Yeah.
I think she looks so cute. Look at her highlighter. Look at the glow.
Fuck off.
Look at the glow.
Fuck off.
She looks so nice. Okay, we did each other's makeup. And
Yeah.
we both, I look like shit. She looks great.
I look like shit too.
No, she looks great.
Stinkier kind.
No, she looks great. And she wouldn't even let me put on everything. Do you want me to put on brows?
No.
So So she wouldn't let me put on everything, but I tried to cover the basics, and she tried to do I don't know what. She tried to make me look ugly.
And it worked. Excuse me?
And it worked. And anyway, so I know you guys wanted to see us do each other's makeup.
Worth it.
No, I hope it was worth it, honestly. But you guys even see my eyeliner, my lipstick. My lipstick is like literally all over the face. Like,
no, it's not.
It's here.
I think like it gives out the vibe that your lips could be anywhere.
Why is she like this, guys? Anyway, I hope you guys like the video. If you guys do, and we're gonna collaborate more, but not gonna do each other's makeup again.
No, I'm done.
That's never happening again.
I'm done.
No, that's never happening. I am never letting you put on makeup. What are you doing? Video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna link her channel down below. She does not do makeup. She sings really, really well.
I do makeup too occasionally.
No, she doesn't.
I do makeup really well.
I think you guys can tell that she can't do makeup at all. So
you're so mean to me.
Anyway, this was really fun, even though I look like shit. And I hope you guys like it. Best outro.
End of torture.
Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.